Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve crypto staking returns with Celsius, full guide step by step clearly. First, sign up for a Celsius account if you haven't already. Visit the official Celsius website and complete the registration process. Verify your identity by following the instructions provided. Next, deposit your cryptocurrencies into your Celsius wallet. Choose the assets you wish to stake. Celsius offers various cryptocurrencies, so select those that align with your investment strategy. Check the current interest rates for each asset before making a decision. It's important to compare these rates to ensure you maximize your returns. After selecting your assets, confirm the deposit. Once your cryptocurrencies are in the wallet, they will start accruing interest automatically. Consider the duration for which you plan to stake your assets. Longer staking periods typically yield higher returns. Monitor the performance of your staked assets regularly. Log into your Celsius account to track interest payments and asset growth. Take advantage of Celsius's features, such as Earn and Borrow. Use the Earn feature to grow your assets while staking. The Borrow feature allows you to leverage your staked assets without selling them. Keep an eye on market trends that may affect your staking returns. Stay informed about any changes in interest rates on your staked assets. Utilize educational resources provided by Celsius to enhance your staking strategy. Engage with the Celsius community to share insights and strategies. Diversify your staking portfolio by incorporating multiple assets. Diversification can help mitigate risks and enhance overall returns. Regularly reassess your staking strategy based on market conditions. Be open to adjusting your stake according to performance metrics. Consider the tax implications of your staking rewards. Plan for any potential taxes you may incur as a result of your staking activities. By following these steps, you can optimize your crypto staking returns with Celsius. Start staking today and take your crypto journey to the next level. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.